Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on Send to Bank. What is Send to Bank? Send to Bank is the world's most affiliate-friendly email autoresponder with limitless functionality and a huge profit potential at an unbeatable one-time price. What price are we talking about? It is $19 for the software. However, if you were to be an early bird, you can get a discount of $4 when you come to the sales page, making the product to be at $15. Here I will show you that at that one-time payment of $15, you will have a lifetime access to Send to Bank. And these are the features that is at the sales page that you can look at it later on. There are other information in the sales page that you can look through yourself. They have statistics and they have testimonial of those that have purchased this product. For those who are interested to buy this product, you will come into this members area. This is the software where on this page is the dashboard. And down here, you have a breakdown of activities. There is a menu on lists. In the recipient section, there is a section on campaigns where the offers that you have in promoting the products. There is that section where it will teach you how to create a new campaign, to view it, to manage it, to even schedule it, and to split test to see which offers gives you a better conversion. Automation, it has a features of spin tags, segments, drips, and triggers. All these, once it's done, is on autopilot. Here there is a section on forms and pages. There is a list of templates that you can use, and there are tools. Here you'll get a value over $7,600 worth of bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1 is our secret 1K a day method. Bonus number 2 is video training on how to succeed with Send to Bank. Bonus number 3 is an agency license. Bonus number 4 is 24/7 premium support. Bonus number 5 is $100+ a day case study. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click on to the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. Should you consider to buy this product, do click on to any of these orange buttons to secure your copy of your software and your bonuses. There is a section on pricing and upsells. For the front end, you will get Send to Bank at under $15 for its software and training modules. Should you consider buying this product, I will highly recommend that you buy this upgrade unlimited. This will unlock the full potential of how the software can be used without any restrictions. Upsell number 2 is automation, selling at $27 at the downsell price. It will allow the user to schedule their campaigns. Upsell number 3 is done for you, is a personal setup by the team. Upsell number 4 is done for you campaigns, where there are top software all set for you to sell as your own. Upsell number 5 is traffic, selling for $77, where your Google and Facebook pixel can be on their vendor's top selling sales page. Upsell number 6 is white label, selling at $497, full installation and customized branding of the Send to Bank software plus developer support. Upsell number 7 is the reseller's rights at $27. Here you can sell this product, Send to Bank, as your own product and keep all the commissions plus the affiliate materials. Upsell number 8 is Traffic Saver Pack, Warrior Plus Saver membership, selling for $17. These are the past products plus more products added throughout the month available on a monthly membership. Upsell number 9 is Send to Bank Gold Mine 1K Club at $17. Now, should you consider buying this product under my link, you will get additional bonuses from me. Bonus number 1, my 35+ bonuses to promote your products and secure your commissions. With this bonus, you can use it to promote your products to draw in your customers with the bonuses that is available to you and increase your conversion and sales. Bonus number 2 is how to make review video for product promotions. This consists of 10 video training on how to make review video to help in your promotion and to increase your sales of those products. Bonus number 3 is how to increase engagement in email marketing. This is another avenue where you can learn how to increase your engagement to convert those into a potential buyer. Enigma is a bonus software that gives you huge and targeted traffic, but it's for the first 12 hours only, where with this traffic, you can use it to promote your products to gain more sales. Bonus number 5 are the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Now, let me give you a recap as to what you will get in buying this product. You will get a instant access to brand new software and step-by-step training. You will get an unlimited email campaigns, unlimited email list upload, quick start guide along with step-by-step video tutorial. You will have a free done-for-you email template. You will get a free bonus 1, and you will get 5 premium bonuses, and you will get an unlimited personalized domain email accounts, and you will get easy to use control panels, and you will get 24/7 support services, all mount up to a value over $13,000, plus all my bonuses for the price of just under $15. It is worth considering when you think about the value that you are getting from this product. So should you be interested to buy this product, do click on to any of these orange buttons to secure your copy of the software and all the bonuses. Thank you for checking out my review and bonuses. See you next time. Bye.